Historic Tours Brothel Deadwood.
Oh, look at the ladies on the windows.
Uh-huh. Are kind of going back to when it was a gold rush town, when they first put up little tents and threw a saloon in it.
We're in Deadwood, South Dakota.
Deadwood, South Dakota, a town full of Wild West history, saloons, crazy shops, and surprises around every corner. Come, take a walk with us, and let's see what Deadwood is all about.
Are you ready, Papa?
I guess he is. You're gonna go pay.
I think when it's busy season, probably.
You pay.
Yeah. But right now, it's free. So this little historic Main Street area here, there's buildings from the Gold Rush era, the 1800s. One of them is where Wild Bill Hickok was shot at. So there's a lot of history in this little town. So that sign we just walked under says entertaining since what, 1876?
Yes.
Sign for Deadwood. Neat old town. That's good. Let's take a little stroll down historic Main Street here and see what we find. Deadwood Tobacco Company. This was kind of a little gold rush town in the late 1800s. So a lot of gambling halls and saloons, stuff like that. Franklin Hotel. Been there a while. There's Calamity Jane for you.
Oh, picture.
Pero es muy loco. Nice motorcycle.
Oh, buffalo over there.
Yep. Steakhouse Saloon.
I guess they have buffalo meat there, no?
I don't know. They have a buffalo on the sign anyway. The Udder Place.
There's a lot of restaurants.
Yeah, there are.
Bars.
Saloon number 10.
So we have been seeing a lot of saloons and they have numbers.
Whole bunch. So the numbers on them are kind of going back to when it was a gold rush town, when they first put up little tents and threw a saloon. So that's how they would tell. Then weren't fancy, didn't have names. It was just saloon number 2, saloon number 8,
Okay.
that kind of thing.
That's why we saw saloon number 10.
Yep.
So we meet you at saloon number 8, okay? At 5 in the afternoon.
Pretty much. Who's that statue? Historical Ghost Tours of the Bullock Hotel.
Ah, yes, that's true.
So that's who that is. So Seth Bullock built this hotel here. This is the hotel, but they have a restaurant in it too. Celebrity Hotel.
With a casino inside.
Yeah, there's a lot of casinos. Another pair off.
Over there.
You can tell some of these buildings are older.
He's going inside with the dog.
Well, I don't know. Went to the door.
I don't know how friendly is this.
Well, the one place there
Friendly.
we walked past had a water bowl outside
Oh.
for dogs. So at least they're sharing water. Historic Tours Brothel Deadwood.
Oh, look at the ladies on the windows.
Uh-huh.
That's how they advertise.
Well, I think back then maybe. So I think this is the same artist that's down by Keystone.
Welcome. Oh, look at this.
Yep. Giant Bigfoot hands.
Mm-hmm.
Lots of eagles.
We have a big chair over there.
Yeah, with Wild Bill on it. Aces and eights. Got you in the barrel.
It was supposed to be in the 50s today.
Well, it was 49 when we parked. According to the car.
Oh, 49?
Uh-huh.
We are
So
in
it's probably
elevation.
50 by now. But 50 degrees in South Dakota in February, not bad. You know?
Yeah. We're not talking about our new update.
Well, so took a job at Mount Rushmore here in South Dakota. Kind of changed where our home base was for a while. So it was kind of nice. I get to work at Mount Rushmore for the 250th anniversary for the country, which would be nice. And then it gives us an area to explore that we really haven't seen much of.
Don't know anything about it.
You see the bottom of it?
Oh, dogs are welcome.
There's a sign right there. Dogs welcome, people tolerate. Now it's not a good time to tell you you're out of whiskey. You should all up that.
Oh, we did?
Yep.
Look at this one. This is an ice?
No, that's metal.
Yeah, but you could ice.
Yeah, you put it in the freezer, and then it doesn't melt, so it doesn't water down your drink.
Will it change the flavor of the wine? Of the
That's the
liquor?
point.
Oh. Well, metal. It's metal. Metal is metal. You wanna do the tasting or what?
I don't know. It's up to you. You were the one that was saying you hadn't ate anything yet.
Yeah. We haven't had anything to eat.
Why are you so wound up? You're too old to behave that way. Joe. No. Calm down, man. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Here's a good job. You're not reading.
We got a little warm.
That feels nice. So, there's your historic sign. So, that Jack and Cole's the one that shot Wild Bill Hickok. Wild Bill Hickok down there, and then they caught him up here.
Mm. He ran.
Uh-huh. Looking at all these restaurants is making me hungry.
Yeah, me too. I wanna eat. Do you think they have some kind of fast food here?
Well, I didn't see one here, but there was a bunch back in Sturgis.
Oh,
It's not that far.
so we need to go back.
Well, we gotta go through there to home.
Look at those mountains over there. They look so beautiful. This is a little library. It says, please take something, but please don't leave anything. Ah. Oh, this is a church thingy. It's not like a library for books.
All aboard.
Vámonos.
You ready to go?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
We're gonna look for some food.
Go find some lunch. Oh, I know you're so excited back there.
Look at it. Enough space for the little puppy.
Yep.
Vámonos. What do you think about the little town?
I think it's really cute. I think when it gets a little later in the spring, we'll have to come back with just me and you, and try out some of the restaurants or wine tastings or something. Maybe do a couple of the little tours that they have.
Yeah, they have some that you really like that ghost tour.
Yeah, no, those tours are fun.
So we're gonna keep making videos. Just because we have a job. Well, I don't have a job, but he has a job.
No.
It doesn't mean we're gonna stop.
No, we're going to be in Mexico in April. We have some other things planned.
And we're planning to film all around here.
Yeah, there's a lot of stuff around this area that we can check out. There's all the Badlands, there's Custer State Park, there's stuff in Rapid City.
A lot of trails to go visit.
Yep, we aren't all that far from Sioux Falls or Cheyenne, Wyoming. There's a lot of stuff.
So keep tuned.
Still looking forward to the beach in Mexico in April.
Yeah.
Still partial to beaches, Canada.
So we will still be putting up videos. We'll try to make them regularly now, but some stuff happened.
Well, we had to take a little break. A little break
That's why
for
we
some medical stuff and then moving, changing where our base was going to be.
So
But we're all caught up now.
we'll try to do better. And thank you for keeping up with us and watching our videos. And if you're not subscribed, please subscribe. That will help us a lot.
Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future videos. And check out our Facebook and Instagram too.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.